teenager, you have to remember these 4 points very well. First, that this is your puberty stage in your teen. You have to be very much careful about what you are eating, what you are intaking, because this is actually making your body, at this moment your body and your muscles are so flexible, so mind on that. Second, this is the stage where you will be more stimulated towards other things other than studies. So mind this, that you have to complete your studies very carefully if the circumstances are actually right for you till you are in your teenager, because this is the time where you are grasping more. After that you will do understand about these things, but for that you have to understand that you are not going to skip your studies for sure. Third point, being a stage of teenager, adolescence, this is the stage of puberty. You also have to remember that this is the time of body building process, or this is just the initial phase where we are taking our rebirth. So make sure that you are actually involving yourself towards new skills and your transformation, where you can be just something which is not expected by the world. Okay. And the fourth, which is also important to notice, that this is the stage of hormonal imbalance and changes, where you will see that there is a seek of hormones and higher or lower, whatever. You also have to understand that here you are not supposed to take higher or stream options, because people start just doing dates or something at this stage. But it is also important to remember that this is just a stage of understanding these things, these hormones disturbance, or you can say just circumstances where it is just moving up and down. You are just supposed to receive these messages, signals, and not just to respond all the time. Be conscious about it, learn from it, and just don't just go for higher or extreme level. Just you have to protect yourself, because these are just hormones. It'll work. It can be used in various important skills and important things. So it just depend on you what you are choosing. So be sure about that too. Thank you. May it help you.